Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the Command Search tool. We'll learn how to handle a situation where you need to find a specific command or function in AutoCAD where you can do that. Of course, the most obvious solution is to press the Help key, F1. In the search field, just type the command that you're looking for. Let's say line, and press Enter. Select the subject from the left column. Help shows me the path to the line command, Home tab, Draw panel, and Line command. Let's close the Help file. Another way to find commands is by typing right into the search field on the Application button menu. Line again. Here's the location of the line command, Ribbon tab Home, Draw, and Line. Let's type the letter L into the command line. Let me just drag my software window up so you can see the menu flyout. Here's a list of commands that start with L in alphabetical order. Hover my mouse over each one for a couple seconds and a tooltip will fly out, and then an extended tooltip. I can also scroll down through this list of L commands. To activate any command, just scroll through this list and select it. Let's activate Dynamic Input Mode. And now let's type the letter L again. By the way, if you find that you're still typing in the command line, press the Escape key. Here's the same scroll-down menu of commands that start with L. As you see here, we've got the alias first, and then the word line, the proper command name, appears in parentheses. Type L for line, LA for layer, etc. AutoCAD lets you easily change the alias or shortcut for each command. We need to open up what's called a PGP file and edit the alias right in there. I don't suggest doing this if you're a beginner, but this option does exist. Let's go to Manage, Edit Aliases. A simple text file opens up, AutoCAD with extension PGP. I'm going to scroll down through this file. Here in the left column are the aliases, and the right column the full command name. Let's scroll down to the line command. Remember, the alias is L. Here it is. Let's change the alias to L11. Now close the file, save. In order for these changes to take effect, we do need to restart AutoCAD. Okay, now let's type L11 in the command line. As you see, while I'm typing below, the alias L11 and the full command name line appear. Let's press Enter to accept. And the line command is active. Let's press Escape to exit the line command. I'm going to go ahead and restore the line alias to its original letter L. Close and save. And this concludes our lesson about searching for commands in AutoCAD.